Guys, early morning comes up with a kesri bath. So usually kesri bath it will be in yellow color. Here I can see slightly orange color kesri bath. Hey folks, welcome back to CSK Vlogs and hope you guys are doing good. Today I have dropped down to Infantry Road, a cafe or a restaurant name called as Bangalore Tindis. So this is a brand new branch which has got opened in Infantry Road. From Indian Express to this cafe or restaurant, it takes hardly like 2 to 3 minutes. It's 500 meters, that's it. So here the breakfast is really fantastic, I have heard. So let's go and check out what is so special of this Bangalore Tindis. And one more thing is that there is no alakada. We have to stand on the street and we have to eat. They have made some place, so let's go and check out. Guys, this is a pocket friendly place where you can have breakfast. The prices are quite cheap because in Infantry Road the breakfast will be like really very expensive because it is almost near to MG Road. So coming to footpath and all, it's like yes, it will be pretty expensive. Coming to the hygiene part, each and every employee is wearing mask and as well as head cap. So yes, again corona is back. So from yesterday there is some guidelines for all the restaurants, pubs and gyms and all, so they have to follow from today. All are following. Again the streets are empty, again the things are going worst in Bangalore. More than government following safety measures, if we follow some things that makes lots of sense, I feel personally. Here is hot pudi dosa. So inside this they'll put this chutney pudi. Just look at this. The plate is a bit small. I have to get adjusted with this itself. So let me try the first bite. They have used jaggery in this chutney powder. Chutney powder is tasting really fantastic, and the crispiness of the dosa is in next level. They haven't used oil more, so that is one best part, because usually in dosas they have to use oil more itself because of the crispness, but here they haven't used oil more. Aloo is being boiled well. Slightly sweetness is there of the jaggery and slightly spiciness is there. Just look at this chutney pudi. They have sprinkled entire dosa to each and every corner of the dosa, I can say. In chutney they have properly grinded this chilies and they have put in this, and even coconut. So the coconut chutney is giving a very good taste for this pudi dosa. For early morning, this place would be the best place, I can say, for dosas, especially in Infantry Road. The first dish itself is so good. I don't know rest of the dishes how it will be. It's really tasting fantastic, guys. One of the best idlis, I can say. So let me start with idli. After dosa, the next dish comes up with idli itself. For idli I have got sambar. Whoa, the idli is really damn soft. Look at the softness. How is it? It's just breaking. Let me try this with sambar. Hot sambar. In sambar also they have used jaggery. The sweetness of the sambar is in next level. It is tasting really fantastic, guys. They have used idli rava for this, so only it's getting separated so easily. But yes, taste wise, guys, you have to try idli. Even idli is like very good. Just look at this. My god, just look at the chili, finely chopped chilies which has been sticked to the idli. Great taste. Now the spiciness slightly started, but yes, anyone can eat this chutney or sambar. Guys, early morning comes up with a kesri bath. So usually kesri bath it will be in yellow color. Here I can see slightly orange color kesri bath. I can see a lot of cashews and raisins in this kesri bath. First bite, and it's really very hot. Till now the dishes what and all I have tried, it is like very hot. They have used ghee a lot. The ghee flavor is really very dominating. The rava is being completely sorted well. Usually if kesri bath is being prepared, once they start using the ingredients, the rava gets completely like a ball. It goes completely hard. But here the thing is not there. Once you keep the bite in mouth, it's completely getting isolated. When the cashews has been fried with ghee itself, they haven't used oil at all for this kesri bath. The sweetness is not so high. It's tasting really good. They have used pineapple also in this kesri bath. Next comes with kara bath. Everything I'm doing ulta today, but no problem. What you are passionate about, first you have to eat off. Then, chalo, theek hai. Wow. Kara bath is not kara, means it's not spicy. But yes, taste wise, this is tasting really good. Carrot, beans, and peas, onions, and tomato, chilies, even coconut, finely grinded coconut is also being used. So it is tasting out in next level. I wish to try this with chutney. Wow. The taste wise, it's fantastic. It's not spicy, not so spicy, but yes, at last, slightly the spiciness taste is there. At last, the dal khichdi is there with us. Usually dal khichdi it will be in yellow color, but here dal khichdi is in red color. It looks like bisi bade bath, but this is not called as bisi bade bath. This is called as dal khichdi. Everything is like damn hot and fresh here. The dal taste is really very dominating. They have used capsicums and chili is being used a lot. Even groundnuts is used a lot. Boiled groundnuts. It's tasting fantastic. The spiciness is quite high, but yes, manageable. The rice is being cooked well in this, and even capsicum has also been cooked well with rice. It's tasting out in next level, guys. Seasoning, they have used mustard and jeera, so that taste is also there. I wish to try this bite with one groundnut and with one piece of capsicum. The capsicum is just getting isolated so easily. Finally finished my breakfast. The breakfast was super cool. The price and the location will be mentioned in the description part. Guys, whoever is in and around Infantry Road or Shivaji Nagar, you people have to try this place. It is really good for breakfast. I personally recommend to try dal khichdi and as well as puri dosa. It's really good. Anyhow guys, if you people like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Catch you up in the next vlog. Till then, bye, take care, see ya.